Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing awesome today, because today I'm gonna go ahead and talk about the Kiehl's Vital Strengthening Serum for wrinkles and whatnot. You know, for your fried chicken is what I call myself, because you know, who loves those annoying wrinkles? But if you love your annoying wrinkles, that's fine. There's nothing wrong with it, because you know what? We're gonna age gracefully. This is gonna be my honest review, and for those of you that are new to my channel, make sure you click that subscribe button and don't forget to click the notification bell so that way you guys don't miss out. Okay guys, so here we go. I'm gonna go ahead and show you the bottle one more time, and this is the bottle that Influencer app, and I went ahead and I tried this for 7 days, and I'm going to give you my honest opinion, and don't kill me for it or anything, but you know what? Okay, so the good stuff about this is you do see some, when you put this on your eyes right here underneath, or wherever you have wrinkles, you will see some kind of, you will see a difference in your skin a little bit, and it's not by much, but if you use this every single day, I think it would be a great, product. And honestly, like when you put the stuff, when you put it on like in the morning, and you put it on at night also. So when you put this stuff on there, the serum, like around your wrinkles or around on your wrinkles, it has a pleasant smell. It is not smelly. It is like the texture of it is like kind of like sticky afterwards when it does dry. So honestly, okay, on the con, when I did put it on for several days and such, but what I will tell you and let you know is that when you do put it on your face and you do your makeup, it does somehow, when you put your foundation or concealer, whatever it is that you're going to put on, it is going to crease a little bit. So what I would recommend is when you put the Kiehl's serum, put very, very little bit. I mean, a little bit goes a long ways. And honestly, I think it's a great product, and I did survive, so that's good. For those of you that are having like wrinkle issues and whatnot, because you know, for me as myself, like I know I am aging. A lot of people have a lot of opinions on, you know, putting products on their face and such. As for me, I do have sensitive skin, so if you do have sensitive skin, it will not mess up your skin in any way. It doesn't burn, it doesn't itch, because I do have dermographism, and like I said, it's very safe to use, honestly. I like the smell. It's not like it's almost like it's not really florally. It is more of like I don't know how to explain it. It's kind of like almost like a sweet smell to it. I'm not sure, but I mean, you know, everybody's noses are different. So I know if something smells bad, I do not want to put it on my face. This does have that hyaluronic acid in it. And I think if I continue to use this for like until I'm out of it, or if I see like a big difference, I would definitely recommend this product. But like I said, you have to put it on every morning and every night. And if you are a makeup artist and such, but like I said, if you put makeup on top of wherever you applied the serum, it will, I'm lost for words today. It will crease a little bit. But for me, as my age, I am 45 years old, and I don't like when things crease on my face. So I am very minimal with my makeup, that's for sure. And I don't know what else I could tell you about this product, but I think I like the product, and I guess that's about it. I have nothing else. You know what? Oh, I do have something else. Oh my gosh. How did I almost forget to tell you guys? Because you know what? Okay, so Jeffree Star cremated he had launched his cremated collection, and oh my gosh. Okay, so me and my daughter, we decided to get online. Okay, she was online first on the website, and she messaged me and she said, I'm in line. And I was thinking, okay, cool. So then I go quickly to the Jeffree Star Cosmetics online on their website, and I grabbed that palette as soon as I could, and I'm thinking to myself, oh my god, they're gonna sell out. And you know what, I would be one of them that would not be able to purchase this product, and I would be so sad. But you know what, I don't know how this happened, but my daughter had been on there waiting in line first before I did. And you know what, like as soon as I checked out and such, like I was able to get the cremated palette. I was going to purchase the Weirdo lipstick, but they sold out really quick. And this was like about 20 minutes in 12 o'clock our time over here in the afternoon. And I kid you not, since she has already been in line before me, right? And you know what, when I checked out and she messaged me back and she said that they sold out. They sold out, and I feel so bad for her. Like, I don't know how that happened, that they sold out quickly. I mean, I should have been the one that got sold out. You know what I'm saying? I mean, not me, but the cremated palette. And I am very lucky, and I feel bad for her. So if you were one of those that were lucky to get that palette, I am so happy for you. I mean, I'm happy for me too, but I'm still a little sad. I'm really kind of sad that my daughter was not able to get one. So she is going to have to wait until Jeffree Star puts more product on the website, hopefully pretty soon. And yeah, that's about it. I think that's all I got, guys. So the Kiehl's Vital Skin Strengthening Super Serum. I would recommend this to you guys. And yeah, that's about it. I guess I will see you guys another time, and we will I guess I will see you guys another time. I love you guys. Bye-bye.